parang halfway na parang halfway na anong nata? So, kapag umorder ka sa blah, blah, blah. Hi guys, Rachel here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will share with you guys the stuff that I got from Althea Korea. Sobrang tagal na din ako hindi nakaupo dito and mag-film ng sit-down video. So, I'm so excited. And the stuff that I got from Althea Korea as well, I'm so excited kasi ang dami kong nakikitang mga hauls noon pa sa Althea Korea sa mga Filipina YouTubers. And ngayon, available na yung Althea Korea globally. So, maybe not every single country, pero nag-ship na sila sa Canada, US, New Zealand. I actually sent my sister a package to New Zealand and she got it already in like less than 2 weeks actually, and then I got mine as well. So I have 3 boxes in here. So one small box. Nakita ko na yung parang sneak peek ng mga nandito kasi nag-peek ako nung na-receive ko yung package pero hindi ko pa siya na-open, hindi ko pa siya like, you know, na-touch. And I have 2 huge boxes right here. I'm pretty sure familiar na kayo sa Althea Korea. They sell Korean cosmetics and makeup, and also they ship to Philippines as well. Tapos hindi siya like pahirapan kasi they partner with LBC if I am not mistaken sa Philippines. Tapos meron din silang mga free shipping na ganap. I think if you order 1,000 pesos, may free shipping ka. So it's really good and I'm so excited. So I'm gonna start with this small box right here. Ang cute ng box nila. So, meron siya mga lines dyan. And it matches my nails. Yan. So, first box, it looks like that. And meron ditong Honey Beam Mask, Intensive Nourishing Mask Pack for Sensitive Dry Skin. I'm not sure kung ganyan talaga yung kulay ng mask, pero tingnan natin. Try kong mag-vlog kapag ginamit ko yan. And then, in here, I have this. I cannot pronounce that. 9 Complex Gerson. There. Open ko siya, ha? Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Hala, pahirapan. Ay, hala. Meron siyang pagganyan. Oh. Horse oil from Germany. Preservation of moisture for 72 hours. Improvements in elasticity, lifting, and moisture. Ah! Okay. Parang ito yung binili ko para kay Dan kasi naghahanap siya ng mga cream na pang, age-defying, mga ganon-ganon. Ang cute ng packaging nila, oh. Pink. If you love pink, then, Althea Korea is for you. This I got kasi I'm pretty sure this was on sale. And alam niyo naman ako, I use lotion every single day. So, ito yung Hello Everyday Natureholic Body Lotion Moringa. So, moringa yung ano niya, parang flavor. And gusto ko siya kasi meron siyang pump. O, diba? I will smell it. Ooh, that smells really refreshing. Ang bango. Ay, nako. I also got the Etude House Color My Brows. Kasi lagi kong ginagamit yung Benefit Eyebrow Coat ko. And gusto ko na gumamit ng mas mura. And alam ko na gusto ko yung Color My Brows kasi I have used this before. This one is in the shade number 4. It looks light. I actually have a review on this. Like, sobrang tagal na guys. Na-private ko na yung video na yun kasi isa siya sa mga pinakaunang videos ko talaga na in-upload ko. And this is really good. Hindi siya ganun ka-mahal and maganda siya. So, I got that. On to the next big box. Ooh! Meron tayong Honey Bee Mask again. I'm pretty sure marami pa yan eh. Kasi in-order ko yung parang set ng Honey Beam. So, meron silang mask na sobrang mumura lang. Like, siguro $1 lang to. Tapos, kapag binili mo siya ng set, like 5 or 6, mas makakasave ka. So, yun yung ginawa ko kasi alam ko na magagamit ko talaga yung mask. So, why not like buy marami para makasave, diba? And then, I also got the Water Beam Mask. Looks like so. And blue yung color ng mask sa likod. That's interesting. Sana blue din siya. Tapos yung honey yellow din. Ang saya, diba? I have, this egg. I'm excited. Yan yung from Holika. Pero, mag-start muna tayo dito sa lotion. Ito, sale din to. So, ito yung Hello Everybody Natureholic na grapefruit naman siya this time. Hindi ko na siya i-open. Gusto ko siyang amuyin pero na-open ko na kasi yung isa. But yeah, lotion. This one-shot brush brush washer. Brush deep cleanser. Guys, hindi na ako nakakalinis ng brushes ko as often as I used to kasi sobrang daming ganap sa buhay-buhay. Wala na talaga akong masyadong time na mag-wash ng brushes and nakakadiri na minsan, nakakaloka. Sabi ko, I need something like this para diretso na. Meron akong formula agad. Formula talaga. Kasi kapag I wash my brushes, nag-ano pa ako, nagmi-mix pa ako ng lotion, shampoo, tapos tubig, tapos minimix-mix ko pa siya para gamitin kong formula. Pero eto, meron na ako nito. So this one is from B-E-A-U. So, kapag umorder ka sa Althea Korea, meron silang mga like free product of the day. So, before you check out, make sure na i-check nyo kung ano yung free product nila. This is their free product that day when I checked out. So, I got the Skin Food Black Sugar Mask, wash-off mask. Meron pa akong ganitong mask na hindi ko pa nagamit kasi mas prefer ko na peel-off mask lang, not peel-off, sheet mask. Yung mga ganito, para diretso, lagay sa mukha, tapos tanggalin kapag tapos na. Ito kasi kailangan ko pang i-wash yung mukha ko and nakakatamad minsan, guys. And then, next is this witch pouch. Real Skin Moisture Ampoule Base. I don't remember. Whoa! Whoa! That is so fancy looking. Meron siyang mga gold sa loob. Nakakaloka. Moisturizer to, I'm sure. Halang social naman ito. And then next is the Lux Gel Tattoo. I wanted to do a review on this. So ito yung eyebrow tattoo na ilalagay mo siya sa eyebrows mo and then you peel it off and then it stays on your eyebrows. Ooh! It's really dark, pero kapag na-peel off mo na siya, na-try ko na yung Etude House eh. So, gusto ko to i-try and see kung effective. Effective. Tama. Ito yon, egg. Ito yung from Holika. If you guys have been watching my vlogs, you would know na meron ako nung peeling gel na galing sa Urban Doll Kiss. Ata yun, yung peach. Hindi ko siya mahanap-hanap. Wala siya sa Althea Korea. Wala siya sa stylekorea.com. Wala siya sa mga Korean websites na binibilhan ko ng mga Korean cosmetics. Meron siya sa eBay, pero over naman kamahal sa eBay. And then I saw this sa Althea Korea. And it is a peeling gel as well. Sana hindi siya matapon. Hindi ko alam kung anong ganap eh. Kasi sa picture, meron siyang egg yolk sa loob. And I think yung egg yolk yung product niya talaga. So, we'll say. Ah! Meron nga. Hindi pala product yung egg yolk. Takip niya pala yun. So, meron siyang egg yolk dyan na ganap. Ang cute nito, guys. Ang cute. Ah! Tapos yan, meron siyang dyan, bangag. Yon! Okay, so on to the lucky last. Oh, more mask! Oh. So, meron na naman tayo ng honeybee mask. I think 6 yun lahat. And then, I have another mask in here. Pure Smile Strawberry Essence Mask. I got 6 and strawberry siya. I hope it smells like strawberries because that would be amazing. And then, more mask. Ito yung Ruby Bulgarian Rose Hydrogel Mask Pack. Look at that. I have 6, you guys, and it looks really nice. Looks really fancy, the packaging. I cannot wait to use that. And then, ta-da-dang. I also got the Etude House Total Age Repair na 2-way pack. Pressed powder. Kasi yung pressed powder na gamit ko is yung Intuit pa rin, guys. Hanggang ngayon yung Intuit pa rin. Hinahanap ko siya nung nasa Pilipinas ako. Hindi ko mahanap yung specific na powder na meron ako. So, siguro hindi na sila nagbebenta ng ganun. And I have been looking for a powder na magugustuhan ko. Wala pa akong nahanap na magandang powder na papalit sa Intuit ko. So, I hope ito na. Ito yung from Etude House. It looks like that. Ang social naman ang packaging nito. Parang yung sa mga mayayaman na mga mama. Mayayaman na mama! Oh, mga ganyan. Oh, tingnan nyo. Oh, diba? Tapos kapag inopen mo, yung mga mayayaman na makeup. Oh, sabi ko sa inyo eh, mga ganyan eh. This one is in the shade number 2. Next one is this all-day makeup fixer from Aritom. Pretty sure you can use this as a makeup setting spray. Based lang sa nabasa ko and sa naaalala ko, pwede mo din siyang gawin na kapag nagkamali ka, kasi makeup fixer nga siya, kapag nagkamali ka, pwede mo siyang i-spray doon and then tanggalin, something like that. That's weird kasi makeup fixer. So, ilalagay mo siya tapos tatanggalin. Pero pwede mo siya din siya gawing makeup setting spray. Feeling ko yun eh. Feeling ko talaga yun. Secure na secure din yung packaging ng Althea Korea, guys. Kasi binubble wrap na nila. Tapos nilagay pa nila sa box. Tapos meron pang outside packaging na, you know. Ito, Milky Dress, the White Brilliant Body. I'm pretty sure lotion na naman to. Yes, Milky Dress na lotion. Feeling ko, naka-sale din to, kaya kinuha ko siya. Kapag naka-sale talaga yung lotion, kinukuha ko agad-agad. Kasi nga, I use lotion everyday and ayoko na maubusan kasi hindi ko alam. Ako lang ba? Naglo-lotion araw-araw talaga. Like, since sobrang bata pa ako, naglo-lotion talaga akong araw-araw. Kapag hindi ako naka-lotion, I feel like sobrang dry ng skin ko. Kahit na hindi naman siguro ganun yung case. Pero kasi sobrang sanay na ako na araw-araw talaga. Like, wala. Kapag hindi ako naka-lotion, wala na. End of the world. Charot. Okay, this one is from Milky Dress as well. This is the Dry Water Powder. Hala, meron siyang ano, oh. Meron siyang ganyan dyan. Oo, ganun. I-shake mo siya before drinking. Charot, before using. Powder controls oil of hair. Of hair? Para sa buhok! It makes the hair smooth and dry. I said smooth and dry. It says smooth and shiny. Bakit sabi ko smooth and dry? Exciting to. Gusto ko siya gamitin. Should I spray it on my hair? No, maybe not. Malapit na tayo. 4 na lang natira. This one's sobrang social. 24K gold wrapping mask. Meron daw siyang 24 karat na gold. Talaga lang ha. Meron ka talagang ganon ha. I like wearing gold, but I'm not sure about putting it on my face. Napaka-luxurious siguro na feeling kapag, I have gold on my face, people. Look at me. Oh my gosh, that looks really fancy. Meron talaga siyang mga ano, shimmer. Shima. Ay! Huwag ka matapon. Gold ka, nakakaloka ka. Okay, next one is the Tattoo Lip Tint Pack. So, gusto ko din itry yung lip tattoo. Tattoo. Ito is from the brand Secret Key. So, gusto ko gawin yung eyebrows, tsaka yung lips. Natato na yan, and we'll see if it works. And ganyan yung itsura niya. Excited na ako itry yan. Excited na ba kayo sa video na yon? Because I am excited. From Vanilla Co. Clean It Zero Purity. Ano to eh? Makeup remover to eh. That smells really good. Meron ako nung Hamish. Parang halfway na ata ako nun. So, excited na ako. Meron na akong ganyan. And then, the last one is ito. This is the Dinoplats or Dinoplats. 100% Korean Mulberry Blotting Paper for all skin types. Hindi siya ganun kamahal, pero hindi siya puchu-puchu tingnan na blotting paper. Hindi ko nga lang alam kung epektibo talaga siya as blotting paper, but we will see. I will try it and maybe feature it in a future favorites video kapag nagustuhan ko siya. So, mayroon siyang sleeve na ganyan. And then there, diba? Meron siyang lalagyan talaga. Meron pa siyang salamin na ganyan na ganap. And then, meron siyang puff. And then, yung puff, didikit, yung blotting paper mo, and then, iba-blot mo siya sa mukha mo. Sobrang cute lang niya. Hindi na ako gumagamit masyado ng blotting paper, pero when I saw this, I was like, I should use blotting paper. Ang cute nito kapag lagay mo siya sa purse mo, tapos, I need to blot, and then open mo lang siya ng ganyan, tapos gaganon-ganon ka. Tapos, diba? Social, didikit lang siya dyan. Meron siyang 50 sheets. And that is everything from Althea Korea. Again, ililive ko yung details below. And you guys, I will actually do a giveaway. So, yeah, and ngayon ko lang actually siya naisip. So, if you are from a country na nag-ship yung Althea Korea, you can join. This is available internationally. So, yes. So, I will be giving away $50 worth of Althea Korea products. So, obviously, kayo yung pipili ng mga Althea Korea makeup sa website nila. Add it to your cart, and then ako yung magbabayad and ship it to your address. So, I will leave all the information below para maka-join sa giveaway. Please do check and please follow the instruction para ma-valid yung entry nyo. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do like this video if you enjoyed, and if you enjoy hauls, kasi yun yung pinaka-paborito kong i-film. And then, please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, bye!